welcome to Box Office India. This is Anita and Aditya Narayan is going to join us very soon.
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, बिजनेस में कोई अपना नाम करेगा, मैं डूबा रहूं तेरे प्यार में.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
What's happening? How is lockdown treating you?
Oh, well, I'm working out and I'd forgotten about this interview. So I've left my workout midway and we'll have a chat and then I'll resume working out.
Okay. So you're making most of your time? How are you spending your time?
Yeah, just like trying to stay fit here. And luckily I have a treadmill at home and some weights and stuff. So, I can get a fair bit of exercise in. And cooking, cleaning, जो सब कर रहे हैं आजकल. झाड़ू पोछा, खाना बनाना. And just I think trying to figure it out one day at a time because this is a very new experience for all of us. So we have no idea how to deal with it. But I think with every passing day, we are getting slightly better, I guess. And when I'm really bored, I give myself haircuts. Like you can see.
This is your new haircut? This is your new look?
This is my self haircut.
Oh, nice.
I've done it myself.
Nice. So what other hobbies have you taken up? New hobbies that you've taken up?
What other hobbies have I taken up? No new hobbies, just the same stuff, just spending more time doing everything that I like, I guess. Working on my music, trying to do riyaz as much as possible, listening to my favorite artists, listening to new artists, and working out, like I said, trying to meditate, find my inner peace. And some yoga as well. I've been following a few YouTube channels. Sorry?
Who are you listening to currently?
Who am I listening to currently? I'm listening to a lot of stuff here. I mean, actually, because I'm, working really hard towards making independent music and promoting independent music. I'm listening to a lot of indie artists. So I'm listening to all the successful indie artists who have made a name for themselves by pushing out good quality non-film music. So from anybody, like all my rapper friends, like Raftar and underground artists, Emiway and Divine, and they have a rap battle going on right now. I think they're all dissing each other, so I'm enjoying that. At the same time, some local bands, like the Local Train and Yellow Diary. I listen to Darshan. All the good indie artists. I'm following them. A lot of Desi Music Factory. I'm seeing everything that is working, what people are liking, what people are not liking. Because obviously, आप सिर्फ अपने experiences के through नहीं, but सबके experiences के through learn करते हैं. So I'm trying to see कि इन्होंने क्या सही किया है, क्या लोगों को पसंद आया है, क्या नहीं आया है. Because obviously, with independent music, the thing is, you're working on a fraction of the budget that big music companies are working on. So, it's as in like your need to succeed is a little bit more because, it's your money on the line and you don't have a lot of it.
Right.
So I'm sure all these artists have worked really hard and been really consistent. In fact, I watched Arman's new single also. He's done an English single, Arman Malik. That was also quite nice. So, everybody is doing really well, yeah. I'm very happy for them. And I actually feel relieved and extremely proud that the future of Indian music exists. It's in good hands, and it's now we are not just relying on Bollywood music, and artists are kind of venturing out on their own. Shalmali is doing a few singles. I'm seeing all of their work, and they're really doing good. Yeah, they're getting the
Right.
numbers. A lot of their albums are getting like, millions of hits on YouTube and millions of streams on these Spotify, Ghana, Savan, and everything. So I'm happy. I'm happy, and at the same time, it encourages me all the more to do good work by seeing these people, and most of them they come from a non-film background. So if they can
Correct.
do it, then I'm sure that people like me can also break through with determination, good content, and consistency.
Right. So, what kind of music you personally enjoy?
I personally enjoy good music, original music. So it can be any genre. Honestly, it doesn't have to just be rap or pop music. It is anything. Yeah, I enjoy everything. I enjoy classical. I enjoy semi-classical, Sufi, pop rock, alternative, EDM. I enjoy everything. There is no genre of music that I don't enjoy. I listen to pretty much everything.
And what is your favorite song that you play while working out? Is there any playlist that you have?
I mean, yeah, I play a lot of I mostly play up tempo numbers, of course. Um, it's a combination of like Hindi and English music. So Raftar has dropped his new album, so I'm listening to that right now. Apna Divine also dropped his new album not too long ago, so I'm listening to his
Hmm.
album. There's and then there's The Weeknd and Dua Lipa. They've come up with new albums. Justin Bieber's come up with a new album, and then there is this. There's Billie Eilish, of course, who the world loves right now, and Louis Capaldi, Charlie Puth. Lord, I mean, it's a mixture, yeah. And then of
Okay.
course there's Bollywood songs. There's Ghungru Toot Gaye and etc. etc. So yeah, it's like a cocktail, mocktail, whatever you want to call it.
Right. Now, also, Aditya, I had promised your fans that we will have a musical afternoon where
Okay,
we will hear you sing as well.
okay.
Whatever you want to start with, whichever song. Because I
So
remember I
I
had a musical evening with you at your place long back, year or
yeah,
so. That was a nice evening.
that was a while
With a
ago.
lot of
Yeah, I remember.
yeah, that was a while ago. So
Yeah.
I promised all your fans. So whatever you can sing for them.
Okay, so hello fans. Thank you for tuning in. And I've been on a binge Instagram live session promoting my new single. And I'm so happy that so many of you tune in everywhere to listen to me have a chat with these lovely ladies and sing a few songs. So I'm going to start off with my new single. Thank you for giving it so much love. I think it's 8 million hits in like 6 days, which is insane. So thank you. And here goes. Mm, mm, आसमां छोड़ के ये जमीन छोड़ के तेरे मेरे सिवा सब यही छोड़ के कयामत तलक बस दोनों रहें ये सिफारिश मैं रब से करूं मैं डूबा रहूं तेरे प्यार में मैं डूबा रहूं मैं डूबा रहूं तेरे प्यार में मैं डूबा रहूं. Thank you.
Nice. When is this single releasing or it's released?
It's released on Monday, and it has 80 lakh people have given it their love. So thank you for giving it so much love. Obviously, when we release something independently, we don't really think about the numbers. We think कि पहले इसको पहले चैनल पे डाल देते हैं और फिर देखते हैं क्या होता है. So we never really know what the kind of response is going to be. But touch wood, my foray into independent music has been. I've been trying since a while. I worked with a few labels. Honestly, I'm sure they've done well for the other artists, but for some reason, we couldn't find a middle ground to work on, so I decided to kind of do this on my own, which is a massive step. But our first single Lilla released in November last year, and that also did extremely well. I think it has some 1 crore hits, over a crore hits actually. And here's Duba, which is also getting a lot of love from the audience. So it only encourages me to do better and to make more content for the listeners and viewers.
So how did the idea for this song come up?
So Dubai is a 6-year-old dream. Ankit, the composer of the song, composed this song along with us, our band in 2014. And at that time, obviously, my band was like, we just formed our band. I'd just come out of Ram Leela. I was the assistant director also on Ram Leela.
Yeah.
So I was there for a year and a half. And then by the time the film released, the songs started doing really well. They were super duper hits. So I was like, along with all this, let me also venture into making original music for myself. So we formed this band and we had no idea कि हम गाने बना पाएंगे साथ में, नहीं बना पाएंगे, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा. And Duba happened, and when we kind of almost finished work on the audio part of it, I always felt like the beach or the ocean was the perfect place to shoot the song, because it says मैं डूबा रहा हूँ, तो आप obviously कहाँ डूबेंगे. So I tried to make this work. हमने गोवा में shoot करने की कोशिश की, but it was proving to be very expensive at that time. Shooting underwater also was like a very hectic job. Drones and GoPros were at its earlier stages. So you had to rig like big ass cameras, and it was difficult. It was expensive, and I did not have the kind of money to make the kind of music video that I wanted to make for Duba. So we put it on the back burner. I put out some more stuff with big labels. But again, like I said, I was not very satisfied with the kind of equation in terms of, like I said, a middle ground. We always have to find a middle ground. We weren't finding it. So then I decided to, do this on my own with a little help of my friends creatively. And touch wood, by the grace of God, my TV career started doing really well. I started making some decent money. And sometime last year, I realized that, I have enough funds to at least put out a few music videos and release an entire album. And that's how it happened. So it's actually a 6-year-old vision becoming a reality. So that just goes to show that never kind of give up on your vision. If you have, there is a reason why you see something. There are sometimes you see ideas that are fully formed. It doesn't just come as a fleeting idea. It comes as a whole package. So
Correct.
as soon as we were working on this song, the entire video, everything came to me. I could visualize everything, and touch wood, it's turned out even better than my imagination.
Mhm. It also goes to show that you should never give up on your dream or your wish.
Oh yes,
And it will
absolutely.
come true.
Absolutely. So, this is 2020 marks me completing 25 years in the film, TV, and music industry.
Wow.
My first couple of songs released in the year 1995. So here is somebody who's been pursuing his dreams for 2.5 decades. And I still feel like I have a very, very long way to go. So, it never ends. The hustle never ends. The dreams, they never end. And I think the day they do is the day where you kind of, stop growing as a human, as an artist. So, yeah, I'm happy. I hope I keep getting these visions for as long as possible and then turning them into reality.
So there are some fans of yours who have some questions for you. So
Okay.
you can read few and I will read out some for you.
Okay.
A lot of people are loving your hairdo.
My hairdo, it's not a hairdo. It's just मैंने machine चला दिया side से और पीछे से, because obviously there's time for us till we get a proper haircut. At least 4th May तक में नहीं होने वाला.
The new haircut is suiting.
Thanks. Hello.
Someone is asking when are you getting married?
Soon. Coming soon to a banquet hall near you. Adiholic Nina. Nina. Hi, Nina. Hi, Sabnandi, Nandita. Hi, Anjali. Hi, Sahil, Dipanvita, Dipsika, Crazy Fan Madhu, Karan Sareen, Guman,
People are joining
Adiholic
us
Simi,
from
Aditya Narayan.
People are joining us from Pakistan.
Wow, lovely. Lots of love to Pakistan. I hope you guys are safe and doing well. And, we're in this together, man. Biggest fan, Ayyar Aditi. Thank you. And Adi Holic forever, Sakshi Malik. Congratulations. Thank you for completing 25 years. Thank you. Hi, Ridhima, Adi Holic, Nandini.
People are asking you about Neha Kakkar. Please, even I want to know.
I'm done, yeah. I think I've answered it enough times. We're good friends. We are a real life couple. And I think that's how it's going to stay. And she's a lovely girl. I wish her all the best. And of course, she's one of the most popular and well-known singers of our generation. Shri Nivas, who's my inspiration? Everybody here. Everybody is my inspiration. I was talking about all these guys who've done so well independently. They all inspire me to do better, to make better content, and to be more consistent. Hi Ria, Guman, Devram Soul, Nandini, Seema, Shanti. My God, so many people. Lots of love to you. आप कोई मूवी क्यों नहीं करते? क्यों? I'm a musician, yeah, so it's like, how do I put it? I mean, Virat Kohli is also a handsome guy. Doesn't mean he stopped playing cricket and start acting, no? Unless, it's they're paying me a ton of money and the role is really good. Why not? I mean, listen, I'm an artist and I'm for hire. So, it's not like I say no to a lot of good opportunities that come my way. I love working. I'm a workaholic. So.
But any plans of collaborating with other artists?
Yeah, of course. If they want to collaborate with me, because obviously, like I said, I'm just starting off, and there's so many people on YouTube that are doing so well. At the same time, there's a lot of right now. Pop music is primarily a lot of rap, a lot of rappers. Even mainstream, you have Yo-Yo and you have Badshah, and then you have the other guys that I just named, and you have upcoming rappers. So, they are all collaborating with each other, but I think us pop stars or us singers, musicians, we are a little, we are lagging behind when it comes to collaborations. I don't know why. Maybe budget issues, maybe ego issues. I don't know. But I hope we collaborate. I'm open to collaborating with all artists, even upcoming artists. If your material is good, send it to me. I'm more than happy to do it. We are all here to make good content, make art. So, So who wouldn't want to make good art?
Right.
Hi, Sabnani, Nandita.
Thank you. Do you have any personal favorite artist?
Who's my personal favorite artist? Very difficult question. It's I can't really. It's like choosing between mother and father. No, they're all kind of inspiring me in different ways. Michael Jackson is definitely one of my biggest inspirations. My father, Kishore Da, Lata ji, Asha ji. So many of them, man. There's too many.
Do you plan to do come together with your father and give us something like a singer or any plans of collaborating with him for a song?
I don't know. I'm producing a song for him because he said he wants to venture into the YouTube space. So we are making a project for him. I'm making a song and music video for my father. And I think, we can always collaborate, and I would be more than happy to collaborate with my father. But I always I believe that let me establish my own identity as a musician, as an independent musician,
Yeah.
because like I said, it's not easy. And my father's is a living legend, so I don't want to take that for granted just because he's my father. And if we do collaborate in the near future, it'll be something um, absolutely smashing and out of the park.
But do you all have jamming sessions at home?
No, we
Anytime?
don't have jamming sessions at home. Listen, people imagine all sorts of things, and please stop imagining these things because people say, "अरे आप तो singers हैं, आप तो घर पे गा के बात करते होंगे." Like, what the hell? Are you serious? Do you think we are, little loose in the head? Who talks while singing or who sings while talking? What is this imagination that people have? In fact, we hardly sing at home because when you're working all day, it's like if you're doing a job, 9 to 5 job, you don't come home and start doing that 9 to 5 job with your daughter or son, no.
Right.
So that's our job, like, so we do it all day, and by the time we sit down and get together, we are too tired to sing, at least, or discuss music. We in fact talk about everything and anything else in life other than music. And I don't have to tell him anything because he's a living legend. So um, you know uh, there is no feedback from my side. And he believes in me as a musician, and he also believes that every person has their own kind of journey to embark on. So he doesn't tell me much. We both respect each other's space, and I admire him completely, like the whole world admires him as a musician. And I'm very lucky that he is also very proud of me and what I'm doing, and he keeps telling me constantly that um, you're doing really well. So that's kind of it's very encouraging for me as a human and as a musician and as a son, because fathers are more difficult to please, as we all know. So my
I agree.
father's also done a lot of bamboo to me when I was a kid. He hardly praised me. So when he actually does praise me, I know that it's genuine and he's not just saying it for the heck of it.
That's sweet. That's sweet. So Aditya, there are a lot of requests for you to sing one more song. Can you do that, please?
Okay, since we're talking about my father. पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, बिजनेस में कोई अपना नाम करेगा.
Thank you. I always enjoy this song when you sing. Even last time you were singing this song.
Thank you,
Thank you.
thank you very much. And with that, on that note, I'll take your leave because I really have to go and do susu. I've been controlling since
I was
almost
just going to
20
say.
minutes. Thank you once again for having me, Box Office
Thank you
India.
so
Thank
much.
you for having me. Thank you, fans, for tuning in. And lots of love. Stay safe, stay home, take care.
Thank you.
And yeah, talk to you soon. Hopefully, next time we'll be meeting in person instead of this virtual chat. So
Yes.
have a great day,
Hopefully
guys.
soon. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you guys for joining us today. Hope you all enjoyed this musical afternoon. We'll try to get some more artists. So you let us know in the comment section who you want us to go live with next. And if you've missed this afternoon and the other live sessions, you can watch it on our YouTube channel. That's Box Office India Magazine YouTube channel. You can watch all our videos there. Please show us your love like this and keep coming and keep sending in your questions. We are waiting to see you all soon, and I will see you all soon. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Bye.